This topic covers 42 course learning outcome (CLO) that are: explain instruction set in assembly language (CLO2) and demonstrate a simple program using arithmetic operation and logic operation in assembly language (CLO1). The instruction set, also called ISA, Instruction Set Architecture, is part of a computer that pertains to programming, which is more or less machine language. The instruction set provides commands to the processor to tell it what it needs to do. A message sent by programmers or program instructions understood by the computer and vice versa. Language that friendly to human, also understandable to computer systems. There are 3 levels of language: low level, which are machine language; middle level, which are assembly language; and high level, which are high level language. The CPU performs the main task for the computer system data transfer between registers and memory or input and output module. It also performs arithmetic and logic operations. Example: add, sub, and or. There are 5 types of data size that are: bit, nibble, byte, word, long. The MC68000 CPU have 8 data registers labeled as D0 to D7 to store information or data within the MC68000 CPU itself. 8 address registers labeled as A0 to A7 to store the location or memory address where data can be found outside the CPU in the external memory chips. 1 program counter PC, 1 status register SR, which contains status flags that indicate the result of comparisons. Download EASY68K.zip from http://www.easy68k.com/. Extract the downloaded folder to your local PC. Open the extracted folder and find file name edit68.exe. Double-click the file name to run EASY68K simulation program for 68000. Demonstrate a simple program using arithmetic operation and logic operation in assembly language. At the end of class, students should be able to define instruction set, machine and assembly language, describe the addressing modes using proper instruction format, and describe various types of addressing modes with example. Students also should be able to demonstrate a simple program using arithmetic operation and logic operation in assembly language.